To replace the condensate pump on the R125 and R150 with the front cover removed, first remove the zip tie holding the harness together. Next, remove the single screw that holds the condensate pump bracket to the back of the unit. Once removed, hold the wiring harness out of the way and pivot the bracket downward. Next, remove the clamp that attaches the discharge line to the condensate pump and place it out of the way. Slide the condensate pump out at the same time as removing the drain tubes that are inserted into the condensate pump. Once the pump is removed, next disconnect the spade connectors that connect the condensate pump harness to the unit harness. Sometimes it is easier if you use a pair of pliers to remove the spade connectors. To reinstall the pump, first slide the condensate pump into the unit at the same time as installing the drain lines into the condensate pump. Next, reinstall the discharge line to the condensate pump and reinstall the clamp that holds the discharge line to the pump. Next, reconnect the spade connectors of the new condensate pump harness to the unit harness. Once that is complete, stretch the wires, fold them over twice, and hold the harness together with the new zip tie. Then cut off the excess of the zip tie. Reinstall the screw that attaches the condensate bracket to the back of the unit.